Hello guys. So we had some bees and wasp problems, like big time, and our backyard was full of wasps last year. We had to call someone to actually take the nest away. So actually after the guy left, he told me we can do this, and it really worked at the end of the season last year. I'm going to do it this time as well. So just wanted to share this with you. There is something called as wasp begon. It's like an artificial nest. So it's interesting, when you put this on the trees, the bees and the wasps, they get confused and they will not come back to the area because they think that there's already a home there. So if there's a home, they are not going to come back and make another new natural nest. So I'll show you how it is. It's pretty straightforward and simple. It stretches, and then this guy just kind of goes in and clicks in right there. So here you can see I put the little metal strip in here. So this is our little nest is ready, artificial nest, and it comes with this little string. It's pretty straightforward. You just go to the back and you hang it right there. Just make sure it's nice and secured, and once it's there, they are not going to come back. All right, take care. Hopefully once you install it, you'll have fun and you can enjoy your backyard instead of fighting with the bees and the wasp. Have a nice day. Bye now.